how to find story privacy settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find story privacy settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click on these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and now click settings and go down until you find this one, posts, and here click this one, who can see your stories. And as you see here, you can find story privacy settings and then just manage anything you want, custom or friends or public, and go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.